When you get ready to overhaul or work on your engine, it's a good idea to have it clean so that you don't have the possibility or a potential for dirt to enter the engine.
Before we get into today's video, if you're looking to keep your diesel engine running at peak performance on the road, be sure to hit the subscribe button. End your search for answers and engine components with our industry-leading technical service and parts featured here at HHP. Also, be sure to check out highwayandheavyparts.com for our online resource library offering additional help for all major heavy-duty makes and models. Hit subscribe, get informed, get back on the road with America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier.
Dirt is one thing you want to keep out of the engine, along with other foreign materials such as coolant. You don't want coolant in your oil, you don't want oil in your coolant, and you don't want power steering oil in either of those areas either. When you get ready to work on the engine, it's a good idea to steam it off, and when you put it in your pole building or garage or wherever you're going to work on it, you want to be able to have a clean area. The workbench that you're working with, that you set your components on, you want nice and clean. As you remove them, it's a good practice to put them in order, so that when it comes time for reassembly, you can go and grab the part and put it back together. When it comes to the fuel systems on the engine, it's a good practice to even put those in plastic containers or plastic Ziploc bags. Get these at your local dollar store. They're real inexpensive, and you can label on there the location where they come out from. So if you pulled out the injector for number 1, you can place it in a bag, zip it tight, and right on there, cylinder number 1. And any components that accompany that particular injector. The same thing is true of any fuel lines. You need a little larger bag to put that in. Take the fuel line off, put it in the bag, and say, okay, it's easy to identify as far as injector number 1, number 2, wherever it came from. It makes it real easy when it comes time for reassembly. You can use many types of cleaners. You can use brake clean. You can use contact cleaner. Some manufacturers recommend contact cleaner versus brake clean because brake clean is a petroleum distillate, and that petroleum can affect gaskets as far as their sealing abilities. So that's why they recommend or suggest contact cleaner. Contact cleaner does not leave a residue. Thus, you won't have a gasket or sealing failure because of a petroleum product contaminating the surface where you're trying to keep clean. Cleanliness is key, especially when it comes to assembly. However, on disassembly, if there's dirt and debris when you're removing something, say a fuel line or a component off of your engine, the potential for that dirt to fall in there and you not see it is at a point where that dirt can get ingested into the engine and cause problems down the road, performance issues and so on. So this is why you want to be clean anytime that you're working on an engine.
Our mission is to take the risk out of buying diesel engine parts for our customers. So if you're looking for affordable, OEM quality diesel engine parts with expert advice on the other end of the line, we're here to help. If you have any questions, you can call any of our ASC certified technicians at 844-447-1453, or you can chat with us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button on YouTube, Facebook, and all our additional social media channels to stay up to date on all news and information from Highway and Heavy Parts. From diagnosis through delivery, we will be there.